Hey you guys, what is up? Hey girl, hey, it is your girl Tash and welcome back to my channel. For today guys, we're going to be getting into another Shop Miss A haul. I know I just did one, but literally the day after I filmed that, Shop Miss A was kind enough to reach out to me and asked me to pick out some products, and so this video is in collaboration with Shop Miss A. I do want to shout out Shop Miss A and say hey girl, hey, thank you so much you guys for being so kind. I do want to let you guys know I am an affiliate of Shop Miss A, those of you who don't know. So all of these products will be linked down below in a list. At the very top of it will be an affiliate link. If you guys would be so kind as to shop that link the next time you shop Miss A, I want to say thank you so much for kindly supporting my channel. Let's go ahead and get into the haul. And pull everything out of this bag here. If you've never ordered from Shop Miss A, they are a $1 online store. They also have standalone stores located all over Texas. I miss Texas so much because I could just walk into the store at that point, you know what I mean? Now I do have to order. Their orders sometimes take a little bit of time, but it just depends on how busy they are, what big launches have came up. But when you're only paying $1 per item, girl, you gotta be patient sometimes. So they usually come in a bag such as this, and then it comes in a bubbled wrapped bag. Mine is depleted because I needed to be able to fit it back in that bag, but everything comes bubble wrapped very securely, unlike a lot of online shops, in that Shop Miss A goes the extra mile to make sure that your products are protected. No, they did not tell me to say that. If you go back in my folders, you'll see a Shop Miss A folder there. I've been doing these hauls since way before even doing YouTube, and they just get that much better all of the time. So they did launch some new items that I want to share with you guys first, but the biggest one that I'm excited about I will do at the end of the video, so make sure that you stay tuned. All right, y'all. So those of you that are new here, hello, my name is Tash, and my ride or dies already know there is a product that became one of my all-time favorite top Shop Miss A items, and that is their cleansing balm. Now the reason I have these little guys right here is because their value size has been sold out. I want to say since it launched, I cannot get my hands on that. So I just opted to buy the little travel sizes. You guys, this is the most hydrating cleansing balm on a budget that I have found thus far. I don't need as much of this as I need of other cleansing balms that I try, and I love it. It's got green tea and vitamin E in it. It does come secure in this little guy right here, and then it comes with a clear cap. I always keep my clear cap on this because I notice if you take it off and too much air gets to the product, it tends to not only solidify, but I feel like it just doesn't work as good. Maybe it's me, I don't know, but this stuff is amazing. Again, it's called their green tea and vitamin E cleansing balm. Great for removing makeup, to those of you who don't know what a cleansing balm is. So if you like the double cleanse, that's a great product to use. So most of you already know that I'm a big nail junkie. So I saw these are by Cala, and I want to shout out to Cala. If y'all did not know, they do have press-on nails now. I haven't tried any, and there's a reason why. If you're new here, I live on a farm. We do have goats running around outside where my studio is, so if you hear that, I apologize, but my babies are free range. So anyways, back to these. These are the Cala Bling nail strips. I have not had good luck with nail strips, but I thought I would try these out because they were only $1 at Shop Miss A. If you buy these on the Cala website, you're going to pay a little bit more. But I thought, I have a lot of clear and like blank press-on nails. Maybe I could get these to stick right to those. So this one right here is, you get 20 strips. It says trendy design, fast and easy, long lasting, use on natural or artificial nails. So I was right. This one's like a blinged out version. All right, we have another one that's kind of blingy with hearts. Another one that's like a really pretty dark, deep pink with glitter. And then this one, I don't really know how to describe it, but it's really pretty. So I did pick up 4 of them. There are tons on the website. Hopefully you guys will reach it before they sell out. They also launched some new eyeshadow, and these I never picked up. I thought I did last time, but I didn't. So these are the Orbit eyeshadow quads, and I picked up Neptune and Mercury. I didn't pick up the other ones because I knew I wouldn't wear them. I'm gonna go ahead and swatch a little bit of Neptune. So here's what it looks like. Really pretty. And I will tell you guys, in my experience, their eyeshadow quads are really just hit or miss. Most of them I've liked. I think that they make some really good makeup. These are by their in-house brand, AOA Studio. So if you've never tried any of that stuff, I highly recommend checking out my faves of Shop Miss A 2021. And I will link it down in the description box for you. Okay, so the 2 shimmery kind of shades that I swatched here actually swatched pretty good. The middle one, which is this guy right here on my hand, it did hard pan on me. But again, you guys know I say swatches don't tell the full story, so I guess we'll find out. There is a matte in here as well, which not too shabby. I'm not the best at swatches, but here we go. Here's Neptune. I wouldn't go by the swatches personally, but that's me, because you might be missing out on some really good product if you do. Alright guys, so in my opinion, these quads seem like a kind of softer formula, but like as you try to swatch them, they come off as like a sheer kind of wash of color. I think that they have potential once you go to put them on the eyes. But I definitely would use more dense brushes with the shimmers and stuff, and I think they'll be fine. But so again, Neptune and Mercury, they seem like good quality. Moving on to some jewelry. I picked 2 of these, and it's because they were sending out random pairs of these. And I thought I would get 2 different pair, but I mean, usually you do. It just depends, you know. But these are so cute. They're very lightweight, which I love because they're not going to be, you know, tugging on your ears and whatnot. There's the other side there, but they're called some kind of teardrop earring. And I did get 2 of those. The other... I got a lot of jewelry, you guys, so hold on just a second. Alright guys, so the next thing I got, this is called the AJ Cornerstone. I think that might be the brand. And it's basically a triple tiered necklace, so it's layered. And it just has like a little disc in it, whatever. So I thought that was really cute on the model. Then, before we jump into more jewelry, I saw these headbands, and y'all know I love my headbands. So I had to have this one. It looks like crystals almost. So it's really pretty. I'm trying to get it to focus on it. It wants to focus on me, but these are gorgeous, you guys. Like, it kind of looks like bling bling. So then I got another one. This one is like the look of pearls, also with rhinestones in it. So really pretty. So I got that one. I'm going to show you guys this one again, because I don't know if you guys got a good look at it or not. So yeah, really pretty. $1 each, guys. $1 each. Don't sleep on Shop Miss Hey. So I also got another one of their toggle bracelets. This one is a heart with rhinestones on it. If you guys are curious about the jewelry that I'm wearing today, it is also from Shop Miss A. I will link down my last Shop Miss A haul, as well as where these, well, I'll try to link the pages. It's hard to link their stuff. I also got this toggle bracelet to go with the necklace that I'm wearing today. And so it has the same little rhinestones on it of this like heart toggle necklace. It just keeps turning around. Hold on, you guys, I got you. There we go. All right. And then I got these really cute hairpins that kind of have rhinestones on them. They're called the Blingy Floral Hair Clips or something like that. They're really pretty. I know my ring needs to be cleaned. I know. All right, so then y'all know I love their heart earrings. Now the ones that I have on today are kind of like a thicker metal, where these are more thin. So I did pick up the gold and the silver, and they're just little heart hoop earrings. All right, then I told you guys I got several colors of these in my last haul, and I guess I only picked up the pink one. It's kind of like a gemstone toggle kind of bracelet with a thicker chain. Really pretty, simple to wear. It was just kind of, I guess that doesn't really give you guys an idea, but it's kind of a large gemstone. It's really pretty. So then I accidentally repurchased another one of these butterfly rhinestone necklaces, and I thought it was something else. So I'm going to be putting that one in a giveaway along with this pair of teardrop earrings. I do have a giveaway coming up soon, so stay tuned. And then I picked up one of their waterproof lanyard phone cases, because if you don't know, in the 6 years, or going on 6 years, that Nick and I have been together, I have been through 4 different cell phones because of water damage. So I wanted to try this out before I commit to buying a more expensive one. And they have all different colors on Shop Miss A. And so I thought it would be a good idea for me to try this out. And what I like about it is that I believe you can still touch your screen while it's in here. And then it does come with a little lanyard piece where you can like wear it around your neck, carry it on your shoulder. But it's supposed to be waterproof. So I will let you guys know about this. Alright, so the last few items, I'm actually missing 2 items. I reached out to them, but it wasn't a big deal. Even though I went over my allotted amount, I still paid for some things. But they have never, ever, I've never had any issues with missing products out of my order. So it's really not that big of a deal. I know that they'll reach back out. So these are called the Holographic Crystal Collection Hoop Earrings. And they're like all of these holographic stars. And they're just so pretty. So I got that pair. I think that's called like multi. This one was pink. And then the purple ones, I actually got 2 pair, and I gave one to my mom because she likes purple. And then I also got, I think these ones were called teal, or I don't think they were blue. The blue ones were bluer. All right, you guys, that is everything for the Shop Miss A haul. Just kidding. Hold on. So the biggest item that I was excited about is from the Oki collection, I believe. Yes, it's the official key items collection. So these are $1.88. They are a charity edition, and what that means is because they're not just $1, they are $1.88. That 88 cents does go to a charity that Shop Miss A supports. And if you guys don't know, they support one for education. They support one for animals, which I love. I love that they do charity. And then this one, I can't remember the exact charity. It usually tells you on the back. Part of the proceeds support children's education. So that is huge to me. I love working with companies and supporting companies with my own money that support charity. So these are called the multi-use wall mount storage hooks. These were $1.88. $1.88. And you can use these all over the house, you guys. So they come with a 360 rotation thing. I'm going to show it to you guys. It says no drilling, rotating multi-hook. They're called the handy hooks. And you can use it for jewelry and put your earrings on top. Or you can use it in the kitchen to hang your tools on. I was so excited when I saw these. They have so many different things for the home. It's not just makeup and jewelry. There's so much. So I'm actually going to have Nick put this together for me because it looks like I am going to need a tool. But as you guys can see here in the picture, this is what it looks like. And so I purchased these to hang on the wall for necklaces. If you haven't seen before, I will insert a picture here of the wall hooks that I love from Shop Miss A. And they're steel, and on the back they have like a 3M sticker, and basically that helps it hang on the wall. I've not had any issues with it falling off the wall. It holds all of my necklaces, but sometimes it's really hard to see all of the necklaces that I have hanging on there. And so I thought if I got this, it would work much better. So basically it's going to hang on the wall like so. I know it's really hard to see, guys. And then I'll be able to turn it and it'll have all my necklaces hanging. So I thought that was really cool. I can't wait to get it up. I will definitely post it on my community tab or on my Instagram when I do. So I picked up 4 of these. Y'all know. Y'all already know. So I hope that you guys enjoyed the Shop Miss A haul. I love doing these hauls for you guys. And again, I want to thank Shop Miss A for sending me all of these wonderful goodies. They really truly do have some amazing products, and that's why I continue to buy from them all the time with my own money and do videos for you guys. So I want to know down below what from this haul or recent hauls or just from you looking on Shop Miss A on your own are you excited to pick up for yourself. I hope that you guys are having an amazing day wherever you are. I love you guys to the moon and back. Y'all know I do. And I just want to say thank you as always for taking time out of your busy days to come hang out with me. You guys know it truly means the world to me. I do want to shout out those of you. Thank you so much to those of you who reached out to me through this whole time that I've been off of YouTube. I'm so grateful. It means a lot to me that you guys think of me outside of YouTube as well. So I love you guys. You know who you are, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.